So let's start with the hair first. So I have a lot of freaking hair. I did this blow dry yesterday. I didn't put nothing in it because I knew I was gonna straighten it today. Well, not so much straighten it, but like use a flat iron for the top half. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Care wax stick. I want to go ahead and just flatten out the top just a little bit because I'm gonna be putting it in like a ponytail, and I don't want it to be bulky. I want it to be sleek. And then I'll take some heat protecting spray because I am using a hot comb.
So let me start off by saying, baby, I was feeling myself in the intro when I put on this ponytail. Like, I was in love with this hairstyle and my foundation. Like, the whole routine came out slow, so flawless. And I just want to say that because I was really feeling it. Like, this is going to be my everyday, all day makeup routine. I'm probably going to wear this hairstyle throughout the rest of this year because I was just in love with it. I just hate doing my hair. My hair is freaking thick. So I did run the hot comb over it just so I can get it a little bit sleek. And then I did use the Care wax stick. You do not have to use that wax stick. They do have the beeswax that's really cheaper than that.
Then I'm gonna go in with some olive oil edge control gel.
But anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to slick down my hair and get it as flat as possible. And then right here, don't even pay attention to that. I tried to twist it up, put in a ponytail, and my ponytail would not fit over it because my hair was so thick. So I had to go to the restroom and rinse my hair, and then I had to braid it and twist it up to where I could finally get it done. And now we about to slay these edges, boo. Slay these edges. But let me start off by saying, if you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. My name is Kinky K, and if you are a returning K-bird, thank you for coming back to my channel. So I just want to go ahead and show you this ponytail that I got from Elevate Styles. It is only $11 and it's very quick and easy to put on and throw. What I did not say in this video is that the hair, it really did not tangle and it did not shed. I really like that about that because I thought after wearing it for a couple of hours, you know, it'd be tangly on the ends, but it still looked nice.
So to get into the ponytail that I'm going to be installing, I did order this from Elevate Styles. I don't remember how much it cost, but I will put that in the description box down below. So it is going to be by the brand Outre. It is their pretty quick premium synthetic fiber ponytail. I do have it in the color 1B. It is a kinky straight and it is 24 inches, and it does say that you can heat this up to 400 degrees with the curling iron. And it only comes in 1B, and 613L. And this is just how it looks. Let me take it out the package first. So this is the stock card up close. So as you can see, it does say it is a wraparound pony, and that is how the model has it. I'm gonna do it in a lower part, so that's why I put my hair in the bottom. and then this is going to be the back. So this is how the hair looks. Like I said, it is a kinky straight, so it is thick. And then this is the end. And then this is how it looks at the top. This is the inside. You do have these two combs right here that are on the perimeters. You have these two combs that are on the perimeters, and then you do have this comb that's in the middle. And this is what it looks like. And then this right here is going to be the piece that you wrap around. So this piece is straight, like silky straight, and then you see it has like a little curl. And then this piece right here, it is yaki straight. So this is silky, and then this is yaki.
This ponytail, it does have a nice density. It's like very natural. It kind of looks thick, I guess, on, but it's really not. You don't even feel it. It's not heavy at all. Like I said, it's not tangly. It was not shedding. It does look frizzy, like from moving around and stuff, but it was not tangling up on me. And then I was just wrapping it around with some freeze spray, and that's all I was doing. And then I took a bobby pin and just sealed the end with the bobby pin. But basically that was it, and that ponytail looks so pretty and natural. It doesn't have a shine to it at all, like bomb.
So starting out, I'm gonna be using my Brow Ultra Slim. This is the new one by Maybelline, and I do have it in the color black brown. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line the outside of my eyes first, and then I'm just going to fill it in where it looks light. And then I'm just gonna take the spoolie just to kind of blend it in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Wear. This is in the color 405, which is caramel toffee, and carve out my brows. Usually I do use the ColourPop concealer, but since this is a drugstore, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. The ColourPop is actually cheaper than this one. I think this one's like $7 or $8, and then the ColourPop is $5. And then I'm just gonna take this Morphe M173 buffer brush, and I'm just gonna buff out the edges. And then yeah, I'm just gonna take that same concealer and put it on the eyelid as well. So for primer, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this Angel Veil NYX Smoothing Face Primer. And then I'm gonna take the Master Prime. This is the primer, Hydrate Smooth Primer.
So yes, B, what she said, So let's get into this makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Super Stay. This is in the color Warm Coconut. This is my freaking ish. If you haven't tried this foundation, you need to. It looks so pretty when you are taking pictures and everything. It's full coverage, so it looks very flawless on the skin. Like, this is my favorite drugstore, period, poo. Then I'm taking my E6 foundation brush. I did get this from Morphe. I'm just buffing that in with that foundation brush, really. And do you see that color? That color is flawless. I love that foundation.
So next I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer. I like to use two. I like to use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is in the color Golden, and then of course I'm using this one again. This was the L'Oreal Infallible, and this.
So I'm gonna be taking both of these concealers. The first one is Golden, and I like to put that one first because it does warm up my face because it is like a yellow tone. And then the second one is more of like a neutral, and then it is lighter. And if you have not tried that L'Oreal concealer, it is full coverage and you will fall in love. Trust me, you need to try it. Like, it is bomb. And then I'm just gonna be taking my beauty blender and just blending that in. You can use a Real Technique sponge. Really, any sponge will work. Just buff that in, buff, 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 till you can't buff no more. And make sure you're doing what I'm doing and pull that nose back, because sometimes, you know, the concealer will get like piled up around the nose. Make sure you are pulling your nose back and blending it out also, because that's not cute and we don't want that around our nose. And then to set that, I am taking my Maybelline, it is the medium deep loose finishing powder. And once again, I'm gonna say, like, all things bomb. Really and truly, Maybelline, like, they have a lot of bomb products. I do notice, like, when I'm going to the drugstore, I use a lot of Maybelline products. So if you haven't used this powder, please do try and use it. Your, like, makeup, everything will come out flawless, period. And then I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the color Truffle. I use this on the parts that I did not put that powder at. So basically where I contoured at, just to go ahead and set the foundation. And then after I set the foundation, I'm going to use my Black Radiance medium to deep, or is it medium to dark? I think it's medium to dark. Contour palette. I'm going to be taking the Sculpt shade first, and I'm going to use that shade to go ahead and contour with. I like to take that shade also because it helps to blend the concealer, like the powder, and the foundation together, so you won't have like that separation, so it looks really pretty on the skin. So if you haven't tried that before and you're having a problem like getting your concealer and foundation to kind of blend and look pretty, then try the Sculpting shade, or a shade that's in between those two colors, and that will help you blend it in. And then I take the contour shade, I think that's what it is, the darker shade, and that's what I use to carve out the cheekbones, to make them look snatched and small. And then I do put that around the forehead to make that forehead look a little bit smaller. And then for the nose, I do take a e.l.f. I think that's a contour brush, and I put those same colors on the nose as well. And then moving on to the blush, I use the same blush because I'm just in love with this color. It just looks so nice on my skin, and that's the e.l.f. I think it's the dark blush palette, which is really cheap and affordable. So now we're getting into the eyeliner. What I'm using is what is this eyeliner I'm using? Oh yeah, the NYX matte eyeliner. NYX, they are now like in the beauty stores, like the drugstores. NYX is becoming everywhere. So now you want to use a drugstore product, you can use NYX. Between NYX and Maybelline, those two are my favorite when it comes to like drugstore. So I am using the NYX matte liquid eyeliner. And then in the inner corners, I did use the Milani smudge pencil. This one is new. I use it in the inner corners because my eyes do water, so that does help with my eyeliner. And then I did use the, I want to say it's the NYX Doll Face mascara, and that mascara was trash. I didn't like that one, so I did do my mascara off camera, and I think I used my MAC. MAC mascara off camera. These lashes are my favorite drugstore lashes. These are the Ardell Double Up 113 eyelashes. They are so natural, and they have the thin strip across the line, so they fit comfortably on the eyes, and they don't droop. They feel comfortable all day. You won't feel like pulling your eyelashes off. Like, I love that eyelash. Daddy. And then for the lip pencil, I'm going to be using the NYX Espresso lip pencil to go ahead and line my lips.
Wet n Wilds. The first one is Sin Nudes, and then the second one is Caught Me Bare Naked.
with these two lip sticks. These two are my go-to combos. Like in every tutorial, you're going to see me using these because I love these two combined together. I put the first lip color all over the lips, and then the second one, I just put that one like in the center, and it looks so freaking gorgeous.
And then I'm going to take some of this NYX Filler Instinct Gloss. It's sparkling, please. I'm going to put that on top.
And then this is the moment when I was like, oh my god, my lip combo was not complete until I put on this lip gloss. Like, that lip gloss set off my freaking lips in freaking love. And then I just used the Master Fix to go ahead and set my face just a little bit to go ahead and apply my highlighter. The first one I used was the Wet n Wild Awesome Blossom, and this one has a subtle glow, but it is so freaking pretty on the skin. If you have skin tone color just like mine, this one is gonna be so freaking pretty. It's gold, but it has like a flecks of pink, so it's almost like a rose gold kind of color, but it's more on the gold side. And then I did take the Master Chrome in Molten Gold just to go ahead and brighten it up. And these two together are so freaking gorgeous on the skin. Like, I use expensive highlighters and I'm like, dang, these two together look better than an expensive highlighter. And basically, we are done setting the face again. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!